Congratulations, college graduates. I am so excited to be a part of this collaboration and resource guide for embracing your new adult lifestyle after college. I know from experience that adulting or post college life can be very intimidating and downright scary, but it does not have to be. So, in this, we're going to be sharing everything that you need to know from decorating, dressing, organizing, and financing your lifestyle post college. So, stay tuned. Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. I am so excited about today's video. I want to start out by thanking Catherine for inviting me to be a part of such a life-changing, enriching, value-added collaboration as we share our tips, tricks, and ideas for getting you prepared for your first apartment and life after college graduation. So with that being said, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to entertain on a budget in your first apartment. And the number one principle I want you guys to think about is to start with what you have, to use what you have, and curate a space that you and your girlfriends will have a wonderful night and create many memories. So with that being said, let's get started. So for this entertainment segment, we're going to go with a boho chic theme. I chose this theme not only because it's trending right now, but it's very easy to incorporate or infuse a lot of the decor that you already have in your space into this particular theme. And so with that being said, we're going to start out with options using things that you have around your home and things that you may need to purchase. So without any further ado, let's hop right in. So in your first space, you may not have a dedicated area for dining, or you may decide to use your dining room area to work from home or to work remotely. So entertaining at your coffee table is just fine. I would first, recommend using what you have. Many of you guys will have throws all around your home. So if you have a throw that you think would look presentable on your table, we're going to do this whole boho chic theme. So definitely a throw will work just fine with this theme. You could throw the throw over the entire table. You could also gather the throw in the center to create more of a runner. You could do that whole look. Or you can kind of move the throw and use it to kind of accentuate the table on one side or the other. So there are so many different options that you can use to, design or cover your table when you're entertaining in your first apartment. Now, next up, I want to encourage you guys to use what you have. So if you have a tablecloth, definitely feel free to use that. If not, feel free to use the throw. I have a tablecloth on hand, so we're going to use that. And, besides, it would not be that expensive to have a really nice tablecloth. Just be careful or to get one that will match anything that you may have. Fabric is also very useful as well. So you could use sheets, you could use remnants of fabrics, the list goes on. It does not have to be an extremely expensive tablecloth. So for this one, I'm just going to cover the table in the tablecloth and neatly tuck it on all sides so that it does not become a trip hazard for the guest.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by.
Now that the tablecloth has been neatly tucked on all sides, we are going to add in our centerpiece, which we want to make sure we keep low for conversational purposes, along with any placemats and or chargers that you may have. Now, a tip to purchasing entertainment decor on a budget is to always shop off season. So I purchased these chargers in the blush pink color from Hobby Lobby, and they were just 79 cents a charger, which is much cheaper than purchasing them at the Dollar Tree. I also used the boho circular mats underneath it to give it that pop of color, which also matches the rug that is already existent in the living room. Next up, I'm going to add in these boho themed plates that I purchased at the Dollar General for just $1 a while back, and the salad plate that says enjoy life. And I just thought these were so amazing. They were only $1 each and they match so well. And that is one way that you can start to collect entertainment pieces for your apartment on a budget. So this entire set only costs $8, with the chargers I was able to get the entire set for $12. Next up, I'm going to add the cutlery. One of the things I like to make sure of is that when I'm placing the cutlery, I place it at least a thumbnail or length away. So I start with the first bend in my thumb, and then I place the cutlery down from that standpoint. In terms of seating, I'm just going to add some throw pillows. You could use throw pillows that are already on your sofa. And I'm going to add these cute little boho fans. You can also use these as menus or a game piece, or you could put your girlfriend's name or your guest name on the handle. There are so many cute things that you could do with this, and I just thought that it would just add that special little touch. Speaking of special little touch, for the napkins, I decided to do a knot. You may not want to invest in a lot of napkin rings and things like that up front. You may not have the storage, so I just tied a cute little knot into the napkin, and I'm laying it around the plate so that it could just look really nice. So in terms of the food for your guests, you could definitely order like some takeout or buffet if you don't want to prepare anything, or everybody could bring a dish and you guys could do it that way as well, so that you can keep your overall budget down. Next up, I'm just going to show you guys a kind of an overview of the space, and we'll decorate some other places inside of the living room to show you guys how to carry the theme throughout.
It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
Thrifting is also a great way to collect beautiful pieces for your home. My BFF Alicia actually thrifted these for me, and I absolutely love them. They are very heavy, and they are really trending right now in the entertainment community. So I thought they really were a nice accent for the tablescape, because the top portion blended very well with the cutlery, and the bottom portion blended very well with the overall look of the space. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of the space, and I'll see you at the end of this video.
The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yet what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to go and check out the other ones in the collaboration as they share with you their tips, tricks, and ideas. I will leave the link to all of the others that are participating in this collaboration down in the description box below, so you can just click on that playlist and enjoy. Thank you so much again for watching. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.